Okay, this is the Harper property. Uh, there's the gas line. Here's a little spot where it looks like a heater used to be, and I think I can get that little heater in here. I'll have to check. I got about 30 inches from the pipes here, and those are the pipes that go up to the solar, and this gas pipe. I got about a 30-inch clearance there. I think that should be enough. The gas pipe comes in about 2 inches right here, and it's a foot. It's 12 inches right there, which we can do the math and find out how high it's going to be at any given point along the slope. I don't think it's going to be an issue. I know that heater is sort of like a mushroom. It's thinner at the bottom, and then it widens out a little bit about halfway up. I think if I scoot it, close to here, close to the edge of this concrete, I think we should probably be okay. I'm not too worried about venting. I think we're okay with that. And we can get a little warm maybe, but it'll be all right. There is a chance I may have to cut these pipes and move them. If that's the case, it's going to be a little difficult because I don't have a lot of pipe to work with here. Those fittings are all tight, okay? Not out of the question. Two major concerns. Gas pipe is 1 inch, goes into the ground there, pops up, I assume, right here, just a few feet away. That pipe runs along the side of the building and then disappears into the building somewhere and goes under the house. I have yet to find a gas meter. So I don't really know how far we are from the gas meter, but there could be, 200 feet of linear pipe, 1 inch linear pipe between there and here. It's possible. So I'll look that up and see what that says and see if we can run this heater. I'll need to double check the size of the heater itself, for that matter. And now, big concern is this. This is a wreck. I don't even know if you can see this. This conduit was what was holding it up. This plastic box has broken, and that conduit is pushed all the way up there. You see that? This needs to go away. That needs to come out. It's being used as a. I mean, it looks to me like that looks like lights. Okay, this would be a light box. That goes into here, but this timer wouldn't be running the lights if it's running the pump, which it clearly is. So then it's just being used as a junction box, which is not a great idea when you consider the amount of wires in there. This needs to be taken care of. I mean, I would have to hook up the heater to this, and there's nothing to hook to. That box has to go away before a heater can be installed here. It's just wrecked. There's a few things that do need to go into that box, but I mean, I think that the lighting could be changed. I think that could be moved into its own junction box. I don't even know what this is. Yeah. What the heck is that? It goes nowhere. There's just wires that go in there. I hope they're disconnected, although I don't know. I'm just going to set this here where I found it. Those are my concerns. I'm happy to bring the heater over here and set it down, but I've got some concerns about installation at the very least on the electrical. The gas is a bit of a roll of the dice. It might work. I will check to find out what the specifications are for that heater, and we'll know for sure.